My name is Amanda Rivera. I'm studying here at Bond University on the Gold Coast, doing the Doctor of Physiotherapy program. I did my undergraduate degree in Vancouver at Simon Fraser University.
My name is Alicia, and I'm studying the Doctor of Physiotherapy program here at Bond on the Gold Coast. And I was fortunate enough to do my undergraduate degree here as well, exercise science. So Bond just has this really appealing factor of you're done in 2 years, which is fantastic. It's a 3-semester-a-year program, and it's quite intense, but it gets you in the mood, and you don't waste any time during these summer holidays. Yeah, so it was the time factor for me.
I chose Bond, I guess, primarily because there are small class sizes, as well as it's not marketed, but it's through McMaster as well, so there's some similarities there, and we all know about the McMaster program, their evidence-based philosophy there.
So and the problem-based learning.
That's right, and that's the same thing here.
Bond was a really good option because they give you that opportunity to actually travel overseas. Because we get so much clinical time, we get to, I was able to go back home and do one of my placements in Edmonton, and I also got the opportunity to travel to Tanzania and do a placement in Tanzania as well, which was fantastic. We had 30 students within the program when we started, and everyone was very much sports physio, musculoskeletal. That's the way we want to go, and I was very much headed down that path as well. And because Bond offers all that clinical time, you get to experience different fields and a good amount of time in different fields. And I actually came out of the program wanting to do pediatric physio, which is on the opposite end of the spectrum. I would have never guessed that I had a passion for pediatric physios. And I think the fact that the class sizes were so small, it just made that learning very personal with the lectures and with the tutors, so it was fantastic.
Highlights would probably be all the clinical experiences you get here. I'm not sure how many clinical placements you would get in Canada, but even just compared to the schools here in Australia, we're getting, I think, an additional 17 weeks, I believe. So quite a lot more. And all of those experiences, I've had those opportunities where I've been like, this is exactly what I want to do. You're treating a patient, you're like, yes, this is it. You have those moments, and it's so wonderful. Yeah, it's great. That's probably been the most rewarding part, actually, being in the setting and knowing, yes, this is exactly where I want to be.
People here, they just take you in, and everyone within the physiotherapy cohort, we became a family, and we got to know each other very, very well, and we know we've made lifelong friends here that'll be family in the end.